In this video, I will show you how to swap on Base using 9mm Dex. 9mm is a decentralized exchange where you can trade, swap coins, and provide liquidity. This Dex already exists on a pulsechain network where you can receive reward for interacting with the application by selling, buying, providing liquidity, staking the native token on the Dex. On Base, we will be receiving the rewards we are getting on pulsechain network. So if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and help me get this message to everyone around the world. Let's get into it. So we are here on the page 9mm where we are going. First thing we are going to do is connect the page to Base. You see pulsechain, Base, click on it, already connected Base. You are going to connect your wallet. As you guys can see right here, click here, connect wallet, and he will ask you what wallet you will like to connect. In this case, I'm using Rabby, and right away, the page is connected to my wallet. So what we are going to do now, we are going to proceed to buy a token. This is the page where you can swap Ethereum for bread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click 25% just as an example so you guys can see what I'm going to do. You guys can see I have the money right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on swap. I'm going to swap it right away, confirm transaction, and I'm done. And that's the way you can swap on 9mm. This procedure is very easy, very simple, very fast. So this is the way how you can swap on 9mm, buying bread or whatever token you want to buy. So there's a couple of stuff that you need to know about. For example, you have this chart right here. You can take it away, click on it. The chart will go away and you only see this thing right here. And this is also, you want to see the trade right here. You can see all the trade, the liquidity providing, V2 and V3, volume and everything is loading right now. If you want to do the settings of the slippage, also it's possible 1%, 5%, 1%, and you can adjust your own percentage. And also here you can see all your transactions you have been doing on the Dex. So if you want to go back, refresh the page, you can click right here and you're done. If you want to change language, you can change it here, choose your language. And if you want to click some more settings, you have the dark mode and white mode. So whatever you want, I like this also very well. So good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this section right here. As you guys see, I bought this amount of bread with amount of money that I have right now. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to provide liquidity. So on this side right here, you guys are seeing that we have trade, liquidity, and stats and graphs. So what are we going to do? We are going to click on liquidity and he is going to send us to this page right here. And on this page, we are going to provide liquidity. In this case, I already have a couple of positions for providing liquidity. And what I can do is I can click right here at liquidity. I can choose bread in this case again, and I can provide liquidity. Or I can use POO, add this one, 1% of POO, choose the section that I want to provide liquidity with, add 25%, and enable POO right away. After enabling POO, after doing this, what I'm going to do is I am going to sign and confirm the transaction. After confirming the transaction, I'm going to add the liquidity. So this procedure is very simple. It's not complicated to do. Everyone can do it. Even my grandma can do it. So guys, you have to know that using 9mm in the future will be very lucrative. Why? Because we are going to be receiving rewards the same way we are receiving right now on pulsechain. So keep in mind, guys, that every transaction you are doing, everything you're doing on this website will be rewarded for doing something. So for example, if we go to the stats and graphs, right now you guys are already seeing that the TVL is at 13K and the volume is $2,000. So that means that we are providing liquidity, we are testing this website, and we know already that it's working. So if we go on pulsechain network, we can see the same thing happening. We know it's also working on pulsechain network. So we can click on pair, we can click on token, and as you guys can see, everything is working perfectly. So now guys, what we are going to do right now, we also have the V2 and this section right here. You can provide liquidity on V2. Also check all the pairs and everything you need to know about it, but it's very easy. It's not difficult. So 9mm is the way to go this season, and I'm telling you guys, don't lose this opportunity by just provide liquidity, because they have some good utility on this website that you can manage to do also with it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.